let's cut to the chase. You want free gifts card on Temu, right? Temu does run free gift promotions, but they almost require you to spend money, refer friends, or complete tasks to qualify. Users report needing to make multiple purchases or refer people to unlock freebies. So you can see right here a chance to get a 400 SAR or your local currency gift, so you can buy with this gift basically anything you want, right? Or anything that Temu chooses, right? Next, you won't find a genuine free gift card given away with no strings attached. Sites and apps promising high value Temu gift cards like 750 bucks are usually cash grab scams. You will likely have to pay, sign up for loads of offers, and still end up with nothing. Reddit says it straight. The free gift game or free gift games are scam to make you spend more and more. So make sure to avoid. So a few red flags. Some promotions ask for referral info or personal data. Sometimes even licenses to use your likeness, raising privacy and phishing concerns. Temu gift cards are not part of their standard promotions, but free gifts for small purchases and successful referrals are. They tilt liability. Your info becomes part of their marketing database. Okay, so what is legit? As we showed you like in the beginning of this video, the welcome offers. New users sometimes get coupons for first purchases, e.g. 10 bucks off or free shipping through official Temu channels. Next, the referral rewards. If you invite friends who actually shop, right, you can earn credits or free gifts items. But again, nothing is free without someone paying. Now, the in-app games. Things like claim daily freebies require you to navigate confusing steps, refer or shop, and often don't deliver. So, best advice: don't trust websites and apps promising free Temu gift cards. Stick to official Temu deals like coupons for new users or referrals. Or you could go ahead to their official website and go to the free shipping and or not free shipping. Right here you can see the offer. Obviously, if you want to read it, make sure to read it. And you can see the lightning deals or the 5-star rated and all that stuff, right? That basically Temu offers. So be aware, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. So while the idea of snagging a free Temu gift card is tempting, the reality is it's almost always a trap. If you're aiming to save money, go with verified welcome promos, coupons, or cashback credit cards deals instead. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.